The secret anti-aging power of papaya. Papaya isn't just delicious, it's a natural powerhouse for youthful skin. Its antioxidants, such as vitamins C, E, and beta-carotene, protect your cells from free radicals. These harmful molecules speed up aging, causing wrinkles and dull skin. Papaya shields your skin, helping you maintain a smooth and radiant appearance. Papain, a unique enzyme found in papaya, plays a crucial role in skin renewal. Think of it as nature's exfoliant. It helps remove dead cells, supports collagen production, and reduces fine lines, leaving your skin glowing and refreshed. It's like indulging in a spa treatment, all with one bite of papaya. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel to help us grow. Papaya doesn't stop at making your skin gorgeous. Folate, potassium, and fiber are just a few of the treasures hidden inside. Folate boosts cell repair and rejuvenation, while potassium keeps your body hydrated, improving skin elasticity. Fiber helps detoxify your system, banishing toxins that contribute to aging. Additionally, papaya is rich in lycopene, a carotenoid with potent anti-inflammatory properties. This means papaya not only keeps your skin looking firm, but also reduces redness and puffiness. A diet rich in lycopene has even been linked to better protection against UV damage, a major cause of premature aging. To reap papaya's anti-aging benefits, aim for about 1 cup a day. It's perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even dessert. Enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, or tossed into salads. Feeling creative? Try papaya salsa with your favorite grilled dishes or as an ingredient in a tropical parfait. For an extra glow, papaya isn't just for eating. You can also apply it directly to your skin. Mix mashed papaya with honey for an all-natural face mask that hydrates and softens your skin. It's an inside-out beauty solution you'll love. Papaya is more than a tropical treat, it's your partner in staying vibrant and youthful. Packed with nutrients for your skin, heart, and overall health, it's the ultimate addition to your daily routine. For more anti-aging secrets, click this next coming video where we share with you the top 6 anti-aging spices. So grab that golden fruit and start your anti-aging journey today. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.